Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Takers and givers, I've been called the latter. But am I really a giver if I don't give to myself? Don't take care of my health, care for everyone else. I usually give away my best, but get into this reset. Get into this reset. Get into this reset. Takers, givers, I've been called the latter. Get into this reset. Yeah, I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings. Next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sunlight. Yeah, reset. Ain't nothing to start over. Only on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, yeah. Reset. Recent past is feeling like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her.
Alright y'all, so I wanted to kind of come to y'all and show y'all what this unit looks like in its natural state. This is it in the body wave, and I want to give you guys a full 360 and a length check because I am going to put this hair up in a bun per the company's request. So let me go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a length check, then I will get into the styling of the bun, and then we'll get into all the details and specs about this unit. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. Y'all, my cat over here looking at me like, girl, what are you doing? Like she ain't in my space. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and style this unit up in a bun and come back.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know what they. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream.
All right, y'all, so I'm officially done styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this wig, then please continue to watch. All right, so first, I'm mad that I didn't take pictures of this unit down prior to putting it up. So I still got to take it back down after doing this video, but it is what it is, sis. Okay. Okay, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Myfirstwig shop. You Myfirstwig for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. Y'all always come through with the come through. Okay, now I did this bun, but I didn't want to use any adhesive in the back, so I decided to do the Kira Sean method. Okay, she always be putting bobby pins back there, so I'm like, girl, I'm gonna give it a shot. So hopefully it don't look a mess back there, but hers always turn out good, so hopefully mine will too. Just don't worry about my kitchen, girl. Okay, don't worry about my kitchen, worry about your kitchen. Okay. All right, so the unit I am rocking, the name is ANI8007. The texture is silky. The length is 20 inches. The color is the same as picture. I do have it in a cap size 2. They do come in the cap size 1 and 2. If I'm not mistaken, the cap size 1 is more small to medium head friendly, and the cap size 2 is more medium to large head friendly. So I have the cap size 2, which is 22.5 to 23 inches. It's a 13x6 lace front wig, and it's 160% density. I was worried about the density. I was worried what they was gonna say the density is, so shout out to them. But anyways, now those are all the details and specs that I have on this unit. Now first I want to say I did not tweeze this wig. I did not bleach this wig. I literally took old girl out of the packaging and she woke up like this and I slapped her on my head. That is it. That is all, girl. Okay, so I want to go ahead and say that. So this hairline, it woke up like this. Okay, everything that you see this unit already had, minus the curls and the styling. Another thing I want to say as far as the texture, it says silky, and it typically does say that. To me, their units aren't necessarily silky. They're more like a in between silky and yucky. Now this particular one is not a super yucky unit or anything. Like when you get yucky from them, you get yucky, girl. Okay, but it's still not super silky. Like sometimes when I think about silky, I think about like doll hair silky. It's not really that. It's that perfect in between, in my opinion. Another thing that I want to mention about this wig is that I did not receive any shedding, no tangling. In my opinion, this wig is big head friendly. If you wear a smaller cap size, I would recommend you getting size 1. I got the size. I am an average cap size, so girl, in my opinion, this unit is more medium to large head friendly than anything. So get whatever cap size you wear, boo. Okay. Get whatever cap size you wear. And I don't know if you guys can really see the color, if you could see the color earlier. There's, this is like a fall unit. Like, you know, you see the blonde, and the blonde stands out more, but there's also some reds and stuff in here, and I really like that mixture of colors. It just really gives that fall look, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's everything pretty much as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, we're gonna start my cons because you guys know I like to end on a high note. My con is gonna be the same con, you know, like you have a lot of space right in here, but when you get like past this area, there's not a whole lot of space. You guys know that is like my typical con. That's gonna be my con, alright? Now Now, as usual, the pros are endless. I love the texture. I love the color. I love that it came pre-tweezed. I love that it came pre-bleached. I love the overall look of this unit. So those are all of my pros. To me, as far as a frontal goes, I feel like all of their units are beginner friendly. Maybe that's why the company is called Myfirstwig, girl, because your first wig from this company is going to be beginner friendly. Okay, so yeah, those are all my pros. Obviously, I would recommend the unit. Girl, you heard my pros. So yes, I would definitely recommend this wig. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So once again, honey, don't worry about my kitchen, worry about your kitchen. Alright, worry about your own kitchen. And honey, and if it look crazy back there, don't judge me. It's my first time doing it, okay? Go to Kira Sean for a tutorial on that, girl, because I ain't the one, honey. I ain't the one. I don't really wear my hair up. It's either down or in a clamp. So judge me not. But this is the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you feel like it's a look, it's a vibe, it's all the things. Sound off down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinion. Once again, shout out to you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love complete.